Everyone, welcome back to another video on Mendix. So in this video, I'll talk about what Mendix is and what exactly it does. So you must be aware about Mendix is a low-code, no-code platform launched in year 2005 by a company called Mendix, but right now it's been acquired by Siemens Technology. Siemens is a German-based company. In 2018 and 19, it acquired Mendix Technology. So now Mendix is a product under Siemens, but still I believe it works as a standalone entity of Siemens. Okay. So Mendix is a low code no code platform. That's obviously. So what is low code no code? It means that sometimes you may need to code, sometimes you may create your websites, your application without having a single line of code. So that's what means no code. Low code means you need to have write some sort of codes for customization. Why we need Mendix? See, in custom programming language that we do, there we have to actually write each codes, and it's very hard to explain the codes to the non-IT person, or I mean the business users. They don't really understand until someone is programmer in business sites as well. So there is a gap between the developer and the business users. Whatever developer does, that is not a easy one to explain the same to the business, that how we have achieved your requirement. So this gap can be filled with Mendix. How? Because Mendix is a visual editor where whatever we design, it's a kind of more widgets and templates, containers, tables. So whatever we are designing, that can be seen by non tech people as well, and they can easily understand it. It's not complex that business users will have hard time understanding. So it's very easy for them to understand as well. So that gap gets automatically fulfilled with Mendix, and whatever we can achieve with the coding or any programming language, we can achieve with Mendix as well. uh, because some of the pre-built components are there in the Mendix, using which we can design our page layout and get our requirement done. If some instance comes where we think like, okay, our requirement is not getting satisfied with the pre-built components, then we can write our own widgets, own layouts, own templates with the codes. So the code can be written in Java and JavaScript to achieve the customization into the pre-built widgets and new widgets if we want to have. So that Mendix ecosystem provides everything. Like, we have our academy, we have documentation, we have community, we have support people there, we have development portal, we have Mendix Studio Pro, we have data hub actually helps you to get the data from outside, which is not inside the Mendix. And then we have Studio Pro. Studio Pro is the application where we do all sort of development of Mendix. Studio Pro, we call it as a WYSIWYG editor. It means what you see is what you get. There is a design mode. So if you are writing if you have given some components and all, if you want to see a sneak peek like how it will look like when we will publish this application, or when we will run this application, so you can just switch between structure mode to design mode. So when you will switch it, you will be able to see exactly the same how it will look like when you run the application. So that's why we call it as a WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get. I'll be showing these all things in Studio Pro in the coming videos. Stay tuned for coming videos. Let me know any questions and doubts you have. Till the time, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. More such interesting videos with live examples are coming. Thank you very much.